everyone. Today we're gonna play this game, Slime Mission. Okay, but make sure to subscribe and like because I'm working hard. Like I'm just trying to get subscribers. That's all. Let me check how much. Let me check that. I'm gonna let it here because I think you guys cannot hear me. So I'm gonna put it right here. Wait, what? I'm gonna put something right here. The chickens. Wait, did I put something right here? I don't know. But I don't care. Let's just go. So yeah. I'm gonna go find some slimes. I'm gonna go find slimes. And I'm not in my Xbox, I'm in my PC. So yeah. And I think it's free or not free, I don't know. Yo, better not hurt me or else. Oh, money. I think we don't need money. What's up that door? If I find the rarest slime or something, I'm gonna end the video. Because it's my god. Sometimes I found a rare one in here. So, 2 minutes. Okay. Oh my god, dude. Let me in. Let me back in. I'm wasting time. My egg. I need chicken. I need. Oh! No! It was rare! It was rare! Golden... Oh man. Wait, is that gold? I want a gold, gold sword, I don't know what that's called. Oh, I thought this was... I hope there's honey. I think there's honey somewhere. I think it sucks. I hate this. 6 hours. Okay, back. Let's see. Let's check. Yeah. They're pretty hungry. Oh, I'm gonna get your food. Let me get the food. I'm gonna give you the food. Okay, chill. Let me give you guys the food. I know you guys like it. Eat it. Get better. Just like yum. Wait. Oh yeah, forgot. Okay, I keep forgetting. Okay, this is stuff. Okay, favorite too. How about so yeah, I just found a golden slime. That's rare. So yeah, guys. Thanks for I know it's pretty short, but I think it was luck. That was luck. Okay, get out of here. I need to end. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna end in my favorite spot here. The big one. The big slime. Let me in. Let me in with y'all. Let's play. Okay. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I just found the golden slime, but I didn't feed it. If I feed it, he will give me it. Look how much race it is. Look. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Look. Look how many. How many. Look. Look how many. This is the gold one. Not this one. Like the carrot. But this is the real good gold. I didn't get it. So yeah, I just found his gold slime. Okay, so yeah, guys, bye bye.